Hello test takers. So this is Duolingo English Test Tips and Tricks 10% saving. So here is our website duolearner.in. So guys, this is your certified trainer Duolingo English Test. My name is Robin and we are excited to share valuable tips and tricks to help you succeed in the real Duolingo English test. So if you are ready to book your test, guys, simply you have to click on this option and then you will receive your coupon code. Click on the send scores and type your name, whatever your name is, you can type here, and here is your surname. I can type my name, and here you can write anything. Then you have to create on continue, right? And here is your ID. So guys, you can get this option on our website. It's online available. So if you need links, so we will drop in the comment section. Plus you can practice for free on the official website to build confidence before your test day. So guys, please stay motivated and let's achieve your goals together. And here is best regards from Robin, certified trainer from Duolingo English Test.